A brief introduction for using the Eco Comfort Platinum product. You should have received the product in this or a similar box. On this page, the warranty conditions are described. Here is a visual operating manual, and here is the technical specification. And here again is the written operating manual. Let's take a look inside. Here is the warranty card. The product can be placed horizontally on a table or vertically. There is a large handle which makes it easy to carry and use the product or to hang it from the ceiling. This is where you turn it on. Here you can see the battery indicator. The first mode is the bedside light, 10 lumens for about 190 hours. Next is 60 lumens for about 30 hours. 180 lumens, the third mode, for 11 hours. And the fourth, brightest mode, 300 lumens for a full 6 hours. And this is how you turn it off again. This is the O-ring, which is responsible for the water and dust protection, IP65. Here we have a flap that provides water protection, USB output and charging input. A 5-watt panel is included. It's important that the panel is oriented towards the sun so that the charging performance is optimal. Alternatively, you can also charge the product with the included adapter from AC using any standard phone charger. Now you can see the charging light. It pulses when the power is low. It is solid, steady when the power is strong. This is especially important for solar charging. To optimally align the panel, this green LED should always be solid and steady. Next, let's look at how to charge a phone. As mentioned, 4 adapters are included. Turn it on and you can see it's charging. But you can not only charge phones, but any USB device. That's it. Enjoy using the device.